Good morning, class 2nd. Class, this is your English language book, and we have started chapter 13, present tense and past tense. So yesterday we studied about tense. What is tense? Tense tell us about the time of action and their kinds: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense, any work that you do today. Okay? Past tense, that you did yesterday. एंड फ्यूचर दैट यू विल डू इन फ्यूचर. प्रेजेंट टेंस का मतलब क्या होता है? कोई भी ऐसा काम जो इस टाइम में हो रहा है, ठीक होता है, जो अभी आपकी सिचुएशन है, कोई भी चीज़ आप हो या कोई नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स भी हो. पास्ट टेंस, कोई भी चीज़ जो होती थी अब नहीं होती है, ठीक. जैसे आप क्लास फर्स्ट में पढ़ते थे, ओके, यू वर इन क्लास फर्स्ट, तो कोई भी चीज़ जो आपके पास्ट में थी. एंड फ्यूचर दैट यू विल डू इन फ्यूचर, कोई भी ऐसा काम जो आप करोगे अभी तक किए नहीं हो. सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस पेज एंड दिस वन ऑल्सो. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए एंड बी ऑल्सो completed. This one past tense also completed, and question number C, write the past tense forms of the verbs given below. This one is also completed. Here question number D, fill in the blanks using the given verbs in the past tense. Class, in this question we have to complete these sentences with the help of these options. Okay, these were words, but you have to change these were word in past tense, in verb second form. Class, हमें इस क्वेश्चन फिल द ब्लैंक्स को कंप्लीट करना है, ठीक. ये जो ऑप्शंस दिए हैं इनकी हेल्प से, ठीक. उसके बाद ये जो वर्ड हैं हमें इसके पास्ट टेंस में होना चाहिए. जो भी हम वर्ड सेट करेंगे, राइट करेंगे, वो पास्ट टेंस में होना चाहिए. ओके, तो द फर्स्ट इज अ डॉग barked at a cat. In number first you will fill bark, and the sentence is in past tense, so you will add ed, barked, barked, barked. Second, the cat climbed a tree. In number second you will fill climb, okay, and also add ed, climbed. Third, it jumped on the roof. In number third you will fill jumped, okay. Fourth, a boy looked at the cat. In number fourth you will fill looked. And fifth, he picked it up and took it home. In number fifth you will fill picked, okay. So all these words are in past tense, verb second form. Okay, so question number D completed. Next, question number E, complete the sentences using the past tense forms of the verbs given in brackets. Class, again in this question you have to complete these sentences using these bracket words, okay, but in past tense, okay, means verb second form. इस क्वेश्चन में भी क्लास कंप्लीट करने हैं. कैसे करने हैं? ये जो ब्रैकेट में वर्ड्स दिए हैं उनके हेल्प से, ओके. और ये सारे के सारे वर्ड किस में होने चाहिए? पास्ट टेंस में होने चाहिए. जस्ट लाइक नंबर फर्स्ट, आई ओपनड द डोर, आई वॉक्ड इनसाइड, आई लुक्ड अराउंड, आई पिक्ड अप अ बॉक्स, आई लिफ्टेड द लिड, and I screamed. Okay, so these all verb words are in past tense. You have to add only ed. Okay, so this question is completed. Next is, all verbs do not change into their past tense form by adding d or ed. Some verbs take a special form when they are used in the past tense. Class, here we add d or ed for changing verb word in a past tense, but this is not a rule for every verb word. हम लोग d और ed ऐड करते हैं वर्ब वर्ड प्रेजेंट टेंस से पास्ट टेंस के लिए, लेकिन सब सारे वर्ब वर्ड के लिए ये रूल नहीं है कि सारे के सारे कोई भी वर्ब वर्ड हो उसमें आप d और ed ऐड कर दो और वो प्रेजेंट से पास्ट में हो जाएगा. कुछ वर्ब वर्ड ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें टोटली स्पेलिंग जो है चेंज हो जाती है, ठीक. अब वो कौन कौन से वर्ब वर्ड हैं? Here there are some present tense verb words, and here their past form. Again, here present tense verb words, and here their past forms. Just like bring, brought, eat, ate, keep, kept, sleep, slept, catch, caught, send, sent, get, got, tell, told, teach, taught, go, went, stand, stood, come, came. Okay, so these all are present tense verb words and these are past tense verb words. Here, make, made, know, knew, hide, hid, sit, sat, buy, bought, live, left, meet, met, write, wrote, run, ran, ring, rang, take, took, say, said. Okay, so class, learn all these words very properly. Okay, and next question is question number F. Fill in the blanks with the past tense forms of the verbs given below. Again, we have to complete these sentences by using these verb words but in past tense. Okay, we have to use their past forms. Just like number first, Jubin's father bought a new car. By, bought. Okay, in number first you will fill bought. The driver brought the car home. In number second you will fill brought. Bring, first form, present tense, and brought, second form, past tense. Third, father rang the doorbell. In number third you will fill rang. Ring, rang. Okay. Fourth, Zubin came out of the house. Okay. So, in number fourth you will fill came. Come, came. Fifth, father took him for a drive in the car. In number fifth you will fill took. Take, took. And sixth number, Zubin was very happy. In number 6 you will fill was. Is present tense, was past tense. So question number F completed. Next. So class, this is your question number G. Some verbs are given below. There is also a grid in which the past tense forms of those verbs are hidden. Search for the words in the grid and circle them. Words may be found both across and down in the grid. Class, in this question there is a grid of letters. Okay. You have to find out verbs past tense forms. Okay. Just like here there are some verbs word in present tense. You have to find out their past forms. क्लास, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, यहाँ कुछ लेटर्स के ग्रिड हैं. ओके, लेटर्स बॉक्स है. इसमें से आपको सर्च करना है. क्या सर्च करना है? जो ये वर्ब वर्ड्स हैं, ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में, इसका पास्ट फॉर्म. ओके, पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म वर्ब के आपको सर्च करने हैं. जस्ट लाइक नंबर फर्स्ट, बिलोंग, बिलोंग्ड, फील, फेल्ट, हैज़, हैड, लाइक, लाइक्ड, रिटर्न, रिटर्न्ड, hear, heard, look, looked, see, saw, eat, ate, add, added, offer, offered, say, said, need, needed, tell, told, do, did, stay, stayed, pay, paid, last, lasted. Okay, so class, you have to find out in this grid and then circle properly. Okay, so class, here the chapter 13 present tense and past tense